Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix phone guys fingerprint lock setup. How to set up fingerprint lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to set up Infinix mobile fingerprint lock. So friends, now let's see how to set up fingerprint lock one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about fingerprint lock setting. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So friends, scroll it and friends, click here Infinix mobile security setting. After on security setting, friends, you can see fingerprint lock setting. So friends, if you click fingerprint, so you can start fingerprint. You want to start face lock, so click here face lock setting. And friends, you don't have your screen lock, so first you will have to set screen lock password. So friends, I will use pattern lock, next option, and this pattern friends I will draw for my fingerprint. And first remember your password. Confirm, done option. As you can see, add fingerprint, click here, next option, and friends place your finger here, and friends you can add fingerprint lock on your Infinix mobile. Wait, touch and remove, touch and remove. Which fingerprint friends you want to add, you want to use touch and remove, touch and remove, touch and remove, touch, remove, touch. And guys, fingerprint lock will set on your device. Different move. You will have to touch here your finger. Friends, you can see fingerprint lock set. Again, friends, you want to add any fingerprint lock, so you can add and you can use two fingerprint lock. So friends, lock your screen. Friends, you want to unlock your phone, guys, touch here on fingerprint and your phone will unlock. So like that friends, we can use fingerprint lock setting on Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to unlock your phone without fingerprint, so draw your device pattern and you can unlock your phone. And friends, again open your phone setting, and friends scroll it. Friends, click a security setting, fingerprint lock setting, draw device pattern. And friends, you can see fingerprint lock setting. Friends, you want to use fingerprint on your app lock, so you can on and you can use fingerprint on your app lock. And friends, by mistake, if you remove your screen lock password, friends, you can see fingerprint lock will automatically delete on your device. So friends, you can see yes, remove, and friends come back. Friends, you can see fingerprint lock we cannot use on Infinix mobile. Again, you want to use first, friends, you will have to set screen lock, then friends you can start fingerprint lock on your device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to set up fingerprint lock. So bye friends.